one of our Illinois lawyers actually got a bar complaint. It was very serious as far as the allegations were. The allegations were that we had not returned this client's calls in months and months and months, and we'd allowed their case to just like, you know, die on the vine. And it was very serious. And I was very surprised because the attorney I got it for is just very, very diligent and responsible. I mean, I would have been surprised for any of my Illinois attorneys, but like I have had some new lawyers in various states that I'm like, okay, we got to watch them carefully. And this was not the case, right? But as you know, Matthew, we have this like communications log in Filevine. And we also track our text messages because we send them through Filevine. So what we ended up, we hired a lawyer because, you know, the lawyer that represents himself has a fool for a lawyer, for a client. But we hired an ethics lawyer, but we essentially ended up printing out the communications log, like exporting it to PDF, sending it to the lawyer, taking the text messages and doing the same thing. And he was like, oh man, this is the easiest response to a disciplinary complaint I've ever had to do. I think 60 days after we responded, our attorney got a letter saying they were closing the file and there was nothing to do. And, you know, she's like, oh my gosh, that was so good. I was like, of course it was, because you communicated with the client and we could prove it. Like, those are the two components, right?
Yep, absolutely, 100%.
Let's talk briefly about, so then you ended up coming to Illinois and you did actually get into the first party world, but you started on the defense side, right?